markets taking this news of yours kind of rough, even though your quarter was strong. You said you're gaining share and adjusting your outlook just based on macro conditions, not in reaction to really weakening demand, it sounded like. So explain again for those holding the stock, or maybe not holding the stock, who might have missed it. What really is going on here? Why did you lower the forecast?
Yeah, so this is where CEO means Chief Emotions Officer. So to put this in context, let's be clear. At the midpoint of our revised guidance, the company's revenue is still growing 27%. We're still seeing 40% growth in billings, and we're going to deliver 12% expansion in margin just at the midpoint. And what people are thinking is, wow, is that really what's going to happen, or is Autodesk more exposed to something bigger that's going on? That's just not what's going on. What we saw is some softening in a couple of markets in Europe, particularly around the UK and Germany. But what's really driving our business is our customers' investment in digital transformation. And digital transformation is a 5-year macro trend for our customers in every single segment we serve: AEC, product design and engineering, media and entertainment. That trend is not going away, and customers are going to continue to buy. They're going to continue to buy construction solutions. They're going to continue to buy Autodesk's leading solutions in product design and engineering, and they're going to continue to invest in building information modeling. So we're just being cautious. We're being prudent based on all the noise that's out there. But you can see our change in our guide was modest, and we believe we've got the numbers right.
You said the construction industry is also holding steady, quoting from the call, and continues to invest in innovative solutions. We saw ongoing strength in construction this quarter, specifically in Asia, not just in China, but regionally. What are you seeing? Is there any impact demand-wise of the tariffs and the trade war?
Yeah, so remember, Autodesk's exposure to China is less than 3% of our business. So we don't have a big China exposure. We did absolutely cite slowing in China as one of the factors, but we actually still grew in China significantly. But we're just not growing to the same level of expectations we had at the beginning of the year. So yeah, there's been an effect. We can't work directly with the state-owned enterprises like we were able to do previously, but it's a modest effect on our business. So we don't have a lot of exposure.
We similarly heard from HP Enterprises CEO just a couple minutes ago that digital transformation continues to drive this market despite the macro uncertainty. Is there a point where that tips? Are there metrics, numbers that you're watching where it does become a concern if, say, there's a no-deal Brexit or other things that you think could tip the scales in a bad direction?
Yeah, so we always watch the low end of our business, and the low end of our business is growing robustly. But one of the more important things I want people to pay attention to is even back in 07 and 08, which was a much bigger contraction than anybody thinks could happen over the next 12 months, our business continued to grow in the digital transformation areas. Our Revit business continued to grow. Construction IT spending continued to grow. And that's because when people are trying to transform their businesses, they're investing for the growth on the other side of any slowdown. So we still anticipate that digital transformation's going to continue to grow, even if we see broader signs like a no-deal Brexit or something associated with that.
What are you doing with investment in R&D, in capabilities? Sometimes during periods like this where investors are questioning a stock, even when there's a slowdown, which it sounds like you're saying there's not much of, either companies will pull back or perhaps put their foot on the gas when it comes to investment. What are you doing?
Yeah, so look, we were in a slow growth mode for almost 4 years where we were maintaining spend flat. We are investing. We are investing in go-to-market. We are investing in R&D because we believe the future over the next 5 years is incredibly bright, and our customers are getting disrupted in every single one of our markets we serve. They need more advanced solutions. They need capabilities. They need tools for digital transformation. We're investing in all of them. The construction investment is the most visible one right now.